Hi everyone, and welcome back to Farm Week in 2C. Like my farmer hat today. So, on a farm, there's so many animals like pigs, cows, horses, sheep, chickens, and you know what we need on our farm? We need a barn. So I got some red construction paper, and I tried to cut it out to look like the shape of a barn. If you have some popsicle sticks at home, you can glue them on, just like I'm going to make our barn. And there we have it. There's a barn for our farm animals. And now that we're done making our barn, it's time to sing our song. Take me out to the barnyard. Take me out there right now. Show me the cows, pigs, and horses too. I hear an oink and a neigh and a moo. There are chickens laying their eggs. If they don't lay, it's a shame. Oh, it's 1, 2, 3 eggs today, and I'm glad I came. Bye, friends.